Aloha! This is a quick tutorial for Star Balance to set an appointment with a peer mentor or tutor. Log into Star, and from your Star registration dashboard screen, you see Balance on the right column panel. This is our new calendaring platform for all campuses. Click the Schedule an Appointment button to begin the process of making an appointment. This screen will come up and direction is already on the screen. To begin, please select the advising services in the column bar on the left. In the panel, click Tutor, Tech, and Learning Services. Then this will pop up. For our purposes, select the Paepae ʻŌhua Tutors/Mentors bubble, and then this screen comes up. Click the down arrow right here. And when you do, some general subjects will come up, including all of your classes, even some of the classes you've already taken. But for demonstration purposes, I am going to choose the Papa ʻŌlelo Hawaii from the list. On the next screen, your tutors and mentors are listed and all are checked. Uncheck those who are not your tutor or mentor, and I selected myself for this tutorial. Now my calendar and availability is showing, and you can scroll through the dates up top, and I selected in blue 8 a.m. on the 22nd. This pop-up screen is where you'll set the appointment. The times listed up here are suggested. That's not solid. So scroll down and make sure that the correct subject is selected, and all of our meetings are on Zoom. And then select your preferred time. This pop-up will come up suggesting longer time. Just X out of it. In the next box, you do not have to disclose whether or not you are native Hawaiian. You can leave it unchecked, or you can check it, and if you have comments, leave it in the box. But that's optional. Step 3 is required. Leave us a note about your appointment, what you need help in. You can literally type anything in here. Click Submit, and you will get a pop-up screen with your appointment details. You will get an email to confirm, as will your peer mentor, and you are all set. Mahalo for watching. I hope this short tutorial helps make the process quick and easy.